Hello and welcome to another video lecture from embryology. In today's lecture, we are going to study about the fourth week of embryonic development. Previously, we studied that a trilaminar embryonic disc was formed consisting of ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. As the fourth week starts, the embryo undergoes a rapid development in size and shape. The trilaminar disc undergoes a process called embryonic folding to create a basic three-dimensional human body plane, just like you folded a flat piece of paper to form a round, cylindrical, three-dimensional human body plane. The embryonic folding occurs in two planes, the median plane and the horizontal plane, both occurring simultaneously with one another. Folding of the embryo in the median plane produces craniocaudal folds, while in the horizontal plane it produces lateral body folds. As the folding continues, the endoderm moves towards the midline of the embryo, incorporating the dorsal part of the yolk sac to create the primitive gut tube, which later differentiates into three parts: the hindgut, the midgut, and the foregut. The foregut is temporally closed by the oropharyngeal membrane, which ruptures at the end of the fourth week to form the mouth. The hindgut, which is part of the caudal end, is temporally closed by the cloacal membrane, which ruptures during the seventh week to form the anal and the urogenital openings. Also, the connection of the yolk sac to the endoderm narrows into a stalk known as the White-Helen duct.